Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Check out this 2022 Honda Accord 2.0 Sport right there. It's a beast. And yeah, let's check out the front real quick. Just wanted to do a quick walk around and show you the features inside of it, what comes on a 2.0. And that's that. Of course, the headlights are the same as the 2021, as some of you guys don't know, but now you know. Fog lights, same style, same design. And the front, the chrome right there. In the bottom, they have 3 different trims, chromes in the bottom as well. Going around. That the wheels are still coming from the 2018 Sport. I wish this was changed. Comment below what you guys think. They do look nice and all, but should start changing that. So 2.0 does come with a moon roof right there on top. As you can see, it comes with the BSI blind spot information right there. So it lights up when there's a car in the blind spot. It is a capless for gas, like for fueling it, as long as it's unlocked. So there you go, capless right there. Going to the back, same tail lights. And going back, little tiny spoiler on there. 2.0 Sport, that's the badge right there. And going on this side, it does come with a keyless entry as well, as you can see right there. It's a keyless entry to get inside. Let's get on the driver's side and show you what features are inside actually. So the back side, it's pretty much half leather and half like fabric pretty much. This is leather fabric right there. It's the inside, and you got 2 USB ports in the back. Open that up real quick. Yeah, I like the fact that you have vents in the back as well on this one, so you can either turn it off and have it on right there. Adjust them the way you want it. Open that guy up. Yep, 2 USBs right there. And you have storage on both sides in the back, you know, books, CDs, whatever you want to put in there, whatever fits. That side as well. And yeah, plenty of space in the back to sit. All right, let's get in this beast right here. And close the door. All right, so you got there you go, had to focus on there. So you do get 2 more USBs right here. And then you have a power outlet, 12 volt, 180 watt max pretty much on this one. Cigarette lighter goes in there. And in the bottom, this is a wireless charger. Just drop your phone there, it will start charging it. And it's also wireless Carplay. So once you have it added in the system, it's pretty cool. I've tried it before. You don't need your phone to be here in order to have CarPlay. You can have the phone in your hands and it will be on CarPlay, all right? So you'll still see the whole LCD over here. You got 2 cup holders right there. You got shift by wire, pretty much buttons right there. Everything is push except the one with the reverse. I would consider it as like a pull. I don't know what you guys think. That's that. You got the sport mode, eco mode, your parking brakes, brake and hold features, pretty cool. That's that right here. Glove compartment, same amount of space as how it used to be before. All right, focusing on it real quick. All right, let's turn on the accessories. Awesome, there we go. Okay, and I like the fact that we have the miles per hour like all digital now, which is pretty cool. And you have lighting on this side, the dim. This is, many people actually don't know about this, honestly, that's why I'm mentioning here. With your lights, adjust, if this is too bright for you, you guys could adjust it from here, right, to dim it out. So this is to help you guys out who have sensitive, like with brightness with their eyes at night. That will definitely help you out. You have your track on and off feature right here. Your safety features right there. Okay, so is that right there. So you can turn it on and off from here. Scroll this down and just click it and it will turn it off. So I'll turn it on, do the same thing. Then exit. When you press the home button, you will see tachometer, range and fuel, speed and time, audio, phone, traffic sign, driving support, driver attention, rear seat belts, maintenance, safety support, and warnings. So that's all from here. All right, back to that. And another thing right here, we'll definitely go over real quick. Settings. Oops, I put double parking. All right, so settings. What I'm going to show you is when you go to vehicle and nope, not vehicle, sorry about that. We'll go to smartphone connection, Apple Carplay, and then you see you would connect new device. Then that should do it for the wireless CarPlay for you guys. Or if you have Android, you would do Android Auto. And camera, everything cross traffic monitor on. What this does is that if you're reversing backwards and there's like someone's about to walk from that side, you'll have like arrows beeping at you, like someone's about to walk this way. I'm not sure if the beep sound is there on the 2.0, but you will have an alert, some kind of it. I'm sure there's beep sound on it. And where is it? What else was it in this thing? Because I'm actually going to get mine too. It's coming in late January. It's in production. It's going to be in production in like 2 weeks. So I'm very excited for mine. Yeah, that's that. And another thing many people don't know about, when you have a tire, like you put up some, you put air into your tires. If it's low, you would have a sign on the center console area there. When, let's say you put air in it now, you're good to go. You would go to vehicle, and then you would go on this TPMS collaboration, and then you press collaborate, and that would reset the light for you guys. So that's pretty much it. Two things that many people didn't know about, and I actually wanted to point that out to you guys. Yeah, so the moonroof, of course, right above us, it tilts all the way up and all the way down and all the way back as well. And your dome lights are right there. There's still the yellow looking ones. You can always upgrade them if you like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it, guys. Comment below what you guys think. And I really like the 2.0, the heated seats on this one. And turn it off right here. And I like the fact that it has a side mirror defrost. So when it's icy and stuff, use that. The side mirrors will be good too. And that's it. So peace out until next time. I appreciate the support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. More content will be coming up for sure, even though winter's here. So I'll definitely make more content for you guys somehow. Just comment below what you need or what you want me to make a content on. I will definitely work on that for you guys. So thanks for the support again. Peace out, fam.